All right, gang. We are back with another chart behind the chart video review, chart review. We're just going to look at the charts. All right. So, first things first, I did take trades around 5 in the morning. I didn't really sleep, so I decided to hop on the charts, see what was available and what looked good. Man, I seen price break through this new week opening gap plus volume imbalance, meaning a magnet and a wall, or basically two magnets forming a wall where price can not break through or it can just fly right through, basically. So basically, around 5:30, I seen that price was slowly moving upwards, and then we had a fake pump up, and it obviously went back down, consolidated more. So I seen that it was building liquidity, basically moving. It's very it was just moving freaking slow, and knowing that it was consolidating, it was giving me clarity that it was definitely building the energy to move either back down or move back up. But looking upwards, I see that we have a bunch of clusters of new day opening gaps, which means it's a very 90 80% chance that price will come up the cluster versus just one singular new week opening gap. And on top of that, the volume imbalance is pushing price to stay above these old new day opening gaps and above the new week opening gap. So with that, I did unfortunately did take a buy in the first consolidation, and as it went up, I wanted to hold it and just let it ride out, because I wanted to, no, not I wanted to, I really knew that price was going to go up to the cluster, so I had to sit there and really just trust the process. And even though it did a fake pump up and consolidated, my direction of where it was going to go was still remaining. It's just a matter of like when, when and what time. It was mainly, but after taking another trade around this area here, around 2400, 24,500, and watching it go up and then slowly just coming back to break even, and eventually, hit my break even. And I was so tired, I just decided to just go back to sleep. But when I woke up later on, I seen that price did come back to the new week opening gap, and I had already broken through the break of structure that I was targeting on the 15-minute chart, to show that if price is truly going to go up, it's going to break this break of structure, move forward, and make a bullish market structure. And even though it didn't completely touch the new day opening gaps, it came very close to it, and I would have been satisfied with that, and I would have called that a day. But it's all right, because I've still seen it and I know the answer. Other than that, I would say that I did a good job on really being patient, on taking positions way before the move is like developed to get to where it needs to be. Meaning, like, if I'm taking a trade that's way down here, knowing that, the volume imbalance and the new week opening gap is going to push price up, and on top of that, we have a very strong cluster of magnets above here, I would feel more better and happier knowing that I took a position at a very probable position, versus like trying to catch it when it's already breaking a structure and then only catching maybe a smaller amount, which is good, but ideally I want it to be more sharpened, but it's all good. I seen it. I could have taken profit. Not, well, yeah, I could have taken a profit off of this spot here, this high, this high and this high too, or even this giant high right here off this wick right here. So it could have been 4 potential exits off of the buy setup that I was aiming for. So even though that it was more of like a very, very slow and choppy session for me, I still stayed true to my bias, which is still good. But I just got to work on taking my time and realizing that, hey, if it's consolidating, just give it a little bit more time. And it might take literally 2 hours because it was from 5 to 6. And it could have been, 7 and 7:30 to where I needed to really get in and then get out and then, call it a day. But other than that, it was pretty cool. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.